Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Angisha here on YouTube this way for the very first time to talk to you guys. So today I have a very special announcement to do. This announcement is all about our craft supplies. So yes, now Creations 007 have their own craft supplies for you to use and make beautiful projects. So before I start with the video and before I show you all the beautiful designs that we have recently launched, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have already subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start with the video. So starting with, we have this first vintage frame element sheet. It is a pack of 2 element sheet with 34 elements to fussy cut. So this is how our frames come. Then we have this vintage clock element sheet. So this sheet has 74 elements and again a pack of 2. Then we have this vintage tags, again a pack of 2. Let me show you this. Then we have this feathers element sheet, again a pack of 2 with 102 elements. Then we have this butterfly element sheets, again a pack of 2. And if you notice on the packaging, you have all the details mentioned about the GSM, size, quantity of the elements this paper has, everything. Then we have this beautiful my love elements to fussy cut and use. Then we have love sentiments. So you can coordinate this both, and also you can coordinate our love tag sheet for your projects. So you can coordinate all these 3 sheets and use for your love themed projects. Okay, so next we have this let's travel element sheet. Then we have this friendship tags. You can fussy cut this beautiful tags and use for your cards and scrapbooks. Next we have this pregnancy element sheet #1. So this has all the cute elements of mother with mother and some toys and some baby clothes and everything. Then we have pregnancy element sheet 2, which has all the numbers of the months, some flora frames, some sentiment frames over here, and we also have some sentiments in this. So it again comes in a pack of 2. Then we have sentiment banner element sheet. Next we have sentiment elements. So these are the common sentiments that you can fussy cut and use in any of the project that you want. So it again comes in a pack of 2. Then we have a cute baby my princess element sheet, for your baby girl scrapbooks and cards and all the projects related to the baby girl. Again, also we have in my prince element sheet, so you can use this for a baby boy, again a pack of 2. Also we have extra add-ons for this baby scrapbooks. So this one is my little one element sheet, again a pack of 2, and it has 122 elements. So this element has beautiful birth certificate, so you can use this blue one for a boy and pink one for a girl. It has the numberings of months till from 1 to 12, so you can use them for their monthly records. Then we also have some sentiments, so you can use either for a baby boy or a baby girl. Then we have this pretty pastel floral element sheet. So these are pretty cute with leaves and some flowers. It again comes in a pack of 2. Also we have pastel floral bunch. So these are tiny flowers in a bunch. Then we have this beautiful blue floral, and this one is my favorite, trust me. It has 2 shades again. So we also have a blue floral bouquet. So these are the single flowers and these are kind of a bunch. This again comes in a pack of 2. Then next we have this purple pastel floral. Again we have this in a single flowers and in a bouquet. So this is kind of a bunch. Isn't this gorgeous? I love these colors. The color combination of this is very beautiful. So you can just fussy cut and use in your projects. So again this comes in a pack of 2. Then we have this Rose Paradise element sheet, and we have Rose Paradise bouquet. So again a single flower and a floral bunch. So let me show you the whole element sheet. So it has beautiful roses and leaves, and this is in a bunch. Next we have this florals in white. So this is white floral element sheet, and this is a white floral bouquet. So again a single flower and a bunch of flower. So now you can just combine these 2 element sheets and make beautiful projects. Again this comes in a pack of 2. So, let me show you the fussy cutting I have done using this element sheet, so you can see how beautifully and how crisp these sheets are. These are very matte and the finish is very good. I'll show you the open packet of this once I'm done introducing all the element sheet. Next we have this vintage bloom bouquet and vintage bloom element sheet. So in this I have given a different color combinations compared to this, just to combine both this element and to give a little different taste to each of this. So again this comes in a pack of 2, and so this is the vintage one, and this is again vintage bouquet. So next we have this are the 2 last element sheets from the 31 we recently launched. So this one is a fresh leaves element sheet. So you can always have extra leaves to cut and use in your projects, and this is autumn leaves. So I feel this one goes with your vintage vintage projects and vintage flowers and everything. So this one is beautiful. Let me open this packet and show you the quality and the thickness of the papers. So you can just see the quality. It's so matte finish, and you can just see the little shimmer on the prints, which is just beautiful, and it really gives a beautiful effect in your projects. So you can see how it is matte, and these are very thick. These are, you can hear this. So these are 300 GSM and they are very sturdy for your projects. So we are coming up with a lot of inspirational videos using this beautiful element sheet. If you wish to buy any of the element sheet from us, you can check the description box, links are been provided. So this was for today, and do let me know in the comment section how you liked our element sheet, and do let us know what ideas are popping in your mind with this element sheets, and also let us know if you want us to create any project using this sheets. So I'll sign off now and meet you in the next video. See ya.